Hello students, today we will start polymer supported catalysis. Students, what are polymer supported catalysts? Polymer supported catalysts are those solid supported reagents or catalysts which possess reactive organic groups either covalently or ionically bonded to a macromolecules. Support and use in stoichiometric quantities to induce the chemical reaction. Students, conventional catalysts which is normally used in the homogeneous phases is linked to a polymer backbone, okay, and is used in the form of catalyst, like a catalyst. Here are some polymer supported catalysis and their applications. First is student polystyrene aluminium chloride. Student, what is polystyrene aluminium chloride? Polystyrene is the polymer of styrene, okay students, and it polymer of styrene is bonded with aluminium chloride, means aluminium chloride's molecule is bound with the long chain of styrene, polymers of styrene, okay students. This is the styrene C6H5 CH double bond CH2, okay students. This is the molecular formula or structure of styrene. Styrene is aromatic hydrocarbon polymer made from monomer styrene, okay. जो हमारा पॉलीस्टाइरीन होता है वो स्टाइरीन की जो स्ट्रक्चर है उसको पॉलीमर की फॉर्म में वो पॉलीस्टाइरीन बोलते हैं उसे, ओके स्टूडेंट्स. This is cross-linked polystyrene supported AlCl3. It is stable catalyst, recyclable, environmental friendly, heterogeneous catalysts. This is the structure of polystyrene, AlCl3. This is the styrene formula and it is polychain. Okay students, molecular formula is C8, 6 carbon is here and 7 and 8. C8 and H8 polystyrene, okay. IUPAC name is poly 1-phenyl ethene 1,2-diol. Now its important applications. When dicyclopropyl carbinol treated with polystyrene AlCl3, then ether is formed with high yield, okay student. This is dicyclopropyl carbinol and it is treated with AlCl3, polystyrene AlCl3, and we obtained dicyclopropyl carbonyl ether. It is ether, polyethers, okay, and we obtained with high yield. Second is carvone. Students, carvone is the terpenoids. It is found naturally in many essential oils, okay students. This is carvone structure and it react with methyl vinyl ketone in the presence of polystyrene AlCl3 and we get 80 to 95% yields, okay students. This polystyrene AlCl3 also used in formation of acetals. This is aldehyde and alcohol when they reacts with each other in the presence of polystyrene AlCl3, formation of acetal in the presence of polystyrene AlCl3 obtained with high yield. Thus, acetals are obtained in good yield by the reaction of aldehyde alcohols and polymer AlCl3. Okay, students. Now, we see polymeric superacid catalysts. Students, what are superacids? And polymer superacids it is obtained by binding aluminium chloride to sulfonated polystyrene. We take sulfonated polystyrene and bounded aluminium chloride or AlCl3, then we formed polymeric superacid catalysts. Students, superacid polymer catalysts is a complex of aluminium trichloride AlCl3 with cross-linked polystyrene sulfonic acid for the cracking and isomerization of N-hexane at 358 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure. Student, that's why it is called superacids catalyst. This has been synthesized from AlCl3 and beads of macroporous sulfonated polystyrene divinyl benzene. Students, generally N-hexanes cracking or isomerization is carried out in the presence of Lewis acid at high temperature and high pressure, but in the presence of superacids it carried out only 358 Kelvin temperature and 1 atm of pressure. Okay students, now see polystyrene metalloporphyrins. These catalysts are useful for the oxidation of thiols to disulfide in the presence of base, and it gets rate of reaction rapidly at room temperature in the presence of polystyrene metalloporphyrins. See students, the reaction RSH plus base, RS minus plus O2, RS minus, two molecules are taken and we obtain R2S2 disulfides. Okay students. Now student, next polymer supported catalyst is polymer supported phase transfer catalysts. Sorry, first I tell you about polymer supported photosensitizers. Okay students, first I tell you photosensitizers, polymer supported photosensitizers. Students, what are photosensitizers? First we discuss about photosensitizer. What are photosensitizers? Students, photosensitizer is a molecule that produce chemical changes in another molecule in various photochemical reactions. Students, example जैसे कि chlorophyll act as photosensitizer during photosynthesis. Okay students, photosensitizers supply molecular oxygen in a photochemical reaction. Examples of photosensitizers are rose bengal, fluorescence, etc. This is the reaction of rose bengal, of formation of polystyrene rose bengal. Polystyrene rose bengal is formed by rose bengal and polystyrene. IUPAC name of rose bengal. Rose bengal is students for photosensitizer, and its IUPAC name is 4,5,6,7 tetrachloro 3,6 dihydroxy 2,4,5,7 tetraiodo 3 hydrospyrobenzofuran 1,9-xanthine 3-on. Okay students, this is the IUPAC name of rose bengal. When rose bengal is bound with polymer, then its name is Sensitox and it is commercially available. Students, the efficiency of Sensitox is about 65% yield of the rose bengal, but the high yields of the products and the ease of isolation more than the compensate the slightly longer reaction periods. Now, polymer supported phase transfer catalysts. Students, phase transfer catalysts, crown ethers, which are studied in previous class. When bounded with polymer, the rate of reaction gets slow because of the difficulty in bringing the reacting species in contact with the catalytic site. But this drawback is overcome by using polymer matrix. And the advantage of using a long chain polymer supported catalysts is that the product formed is separated from the reaction mixture by simple filtration, and that the recycling of the catalyst is possible. Now see the reactions in the presence of polymer supported phase transfer catalysts. Using these catalysts, 1-cyclooctane can be prepared by stirring the mixture of 1-bromooctane and potassium cyanide in the presence of resin or polymer phase transfer catalysts. We get 80% yield. Similarly, 1 iodo-octane and N-octyl phenyl sulfide, this is phenyl students, phenyl sulfides are obtained by 1 octane in the presence of phase transfer catalyst polymer supported. Okay students, these are the reactions. Students, this is the short brief of polymer supported catalysts. Hope you get it very well. Thank you students.